Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you today?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, good to see you. Yeah,
My name is Ahmed.
okay, okay. My name is June.
Uh, it's nice to meet you.
It's
Joe,
John.
uh, I can hear you better now.
Okay, can you hear me better? My name is John.
Yeah, John, now I can hear you better, and it's
Mhm.
look like you are sit beside me.
Ah, that's nice. That's good.
That's very good. Thank you. Yeah,
Yeah.
and I'm an English student on Cambly. I've been
Mhm.
studying on Cambly since a while. So
Okay.
I today I want to learn more about English language.
Okay. Yeah. Is this your first time? Not your first time. You've been using it for a while. But then,
Y-
how do you normally do your lessons? Do you have like a lesson material, or do you just want to have like a conversation lesson?
Yeah,
What's better?
I'm always have a conversation, but my
Mhm.
conversations it contains like a lesson, but I create a lesson for me, like my own lesson. Like every time I call my tutor, I have something to ask.
Okay.
Yeah, so
So.
today I have several questions about. I get confusing
Mhm.
about these situations. Like yesterday, I read like a sentence, okay,
Mhm.
on Duolingo app. Uh, the sentence is, "I had heard of that place."
Okay.
Okay, it is past perfect. Okay,
It's yeah,
okay,
past perfect. I had
yeah.
heard.
So can I say like I heard of that place?
That's the simple past, yeah. Just to say I heard. It's also you can
So
say it like that.
yeah. So
Yeah.
if I want to be natural, speak with
hmm
my American friends,
mm
okay. And should I use I had heard of that place? Like it sound more grammatical. So my I'm gonna ask you this question
hmm
to you. Like if you want to ask your friend, do you ask him
Okay.
like I had heard of that place or I heard about that place?
Yeah, it's more, you would be more simple, when you're talking with your friends. So you would just use I heard of that place instead of being like the past perfect, which is more grammatical. And
Hmm.
that would be more formal to say it like that also. Okay.
Uh-huh.
More
Yeah.
grammatical. It's just more to say. So yeah, it's just simple if you're talking with your friends. You just use simple language. It doesn't have to be too hard. Mm.
Mhm. Yeah. Now I'm satisfied.
Okay, do you understand now? Yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes I get confused. Like, should I
Yeah.
use had like a grammatical?
hmm
Maybe I will sound more formal, more real to speak in grammatical rules.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to know
hmm
whether is okay if I just like I ask about I heard about that place.
Yeah, that's quite fine. That's actually the best way to go. It's more simple. I heard about that. It's just like it flows. It's more natural.
More natural, yeah.
hmm
So the second question, uh, I used to say like sadly in my whole conversations, or
hmm
if I speak in English with my friends, um, whether in the middle of the conversation or in the beginning when I start, I say sadly. But sometimes I heard the native English speakers say sudden.
Oh, you're talking about suddenly? Is that what you said?
Yeah,
Suddenly,
sadly and sudden.
not
Where should I
sadly.
use this?
Oh,
No, no,
sudden.
not suddenly. Suddenly.
I don't know. Are you saying suddenly? If something happens suddenly, it happens
Yeah,
without you
yeah.
expecting it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, suddenly, that's how you say it. That's how to say it. Suddenly this happened, or suddenly that happened.
Okay.
Okay.
Then. the sudden.
Suddenly. Then suddenly.
Yeah, suddenly with ly, and
With
just
ly, yeah.
yeah, without ly, sudden.
All of the sudden. You would say it like that. All of the sudden. Without
All
the ly.
of the sudden.
All of.
Yes.
Okay.
All of this. What does that mean?
That
Can you
means
give me an
suddenly.
example?
That means suddenly.
So okay, but I can't use suddenly or in your sentence.
Yeah, if you want to, you can change it and you can just use suddenly instead of saying all of a sudden something happened.
So is it the both of words are correct when I come to use it?
Yeah, they're both correct. You just have to change the sentence form. You know, if you're saying all of a sudden, this happened. The other way of saying it is suddenly that happened.
I got you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. Like I will use it like in a sentence, and like all these situations happen suddenly.
Suddenly, yeah. All these
Yeah.
things happen suddenly.
Yeah. Okay. So I want to learn more about adjectives because you know, if I master the adjectives words, I will
Yeah.
make more conversations more natural because I'm always stuck with my adjectives. I want to I want to learn more of these adjectives. Yesterday I had learned, okay, I had learned stingy.
Stingy.
Yeah, it's an adjective called to the human beings. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah, some people, we would say that this person is a stingy person, right?
Yeah,
Or this person is, I don't know, greedy. That's also a different adjective that we can use.
yeah, greedy, stingy. Yeah. Yes, I have been thinking about this adjective since yesterday, and
Okay.
I had another word like greedy. Yeah, so you just say it now. So yeah, my thought it's correct.
What was the word for greedy? Or is it a different word, greedy? Or did you have another word?
No, just greedy.
Greedy.
This is my
Okay.
this is my imagination about stingy. It equals greedy.
Equals greedy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not the same, exactly the same.
Yes, not the exact meaning,
Yeah.
but it gives like near to stingy.
It's a negative quality. Yeah, it's a negative. It's they're near to each other because it's a bad quality or it's a bad emotion to have. It's not good to be greedy and it's not good to
Yeah,
be stingy.
stingy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
stingy is a good word. Yeah.
yeah, can you teach me more adjectives?
So there are many adjectives. It depends on what you want to talk about. Adjectives are used to
Um,
describe things.
like normal life in
Okay.
daily routine. You use it in your life.
To talk about people, do you want to have adjectives talk about people in your daily life or talk about your routine?
Exactly,
Busy
exactly about
be an adjective.
people.
Busy day, tight schedule. Like tight could be the word or busy.
It sounds great. Okay,
Busy, that's an adjective. Do you know this word? Busy.
busy. Yeah, busy.
So I have a busy day. Okay, that is the adjective. I have a busy day. I have a tight schedule.
Tight.
Tight
Okay,
is
I have.
the word there. Tight schedule.
What does that mean? Time schedule. It's like busy.
It's also like busy, but it means that you don't have any space on your schedule to do anything. There's no space,
Uh-huh.
no time for anything.
Like full schedule.
A full
Am I
schedule,
right?
that's the way to say it, yeah.
Uh-huh.
But we use the
Uh-huh.
word tight.
Tight.
So tight is the adjective you would use. I have a
Yeah.
tight schedule today, or my schedule is tight today. Okay. What else can we say? An open schedule. That's the other one. An open schedule. That's the opposite of it. It means you don't have many things to do. It means your schedule is not very busy.
Mm-hmm.
Not
Like
busy.
I am free,
I'm free.
or
Okay.
or
Yeah.
or half free. Like
Yeah, it means you
I
have
have
lots of
schedule.
open spaces, right? So it's not tight. It's the opposite of tight, because if it's tight, there's no open spaces. Okay, so
Yeah.
but if it's an open schedule, it means you might have maybe 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. you have to work, and then from 11 until maybe 3 p.m. there's nothing to do. So that's
Yeah.
the open spot again. So it's like an open schedule. Okay.
Yeah.
What else can we say? Early riser. Like if you wake up early, you can be called
Yeah.
an early riser. Okay, that's like when you start your day.
Early riser.
Early riser. Okay, the early
Okay.
is the adjective. Early
Yeah.
bird is the way to say that.
Early bird.
Have you heard this one
It,
before?
it's gives the same meaning, the both of them, early riser and early bird.
The early bird word is it's almost like a saying. Like you would say somebody is an early bird, it means the person is an early riser, wakes up early.
Wakes up early. Yeah.
Yeah. So an early bird.
When you say early riser, like early riser.
Riser, yeah, or early to wake up. Riser means to wake up, waking up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it means.
Yeah.
To rise in the
Yeah.
morning, to wake up, get up. Okay. Do you understand the meaning?
Yeah. I got you.
Okay.
I need more.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the time also. What the opposite of early bird, we can say late. What's it called again? A night owl. Night owl.
Yeah, night owl. Yeah, I know. Owl. It's kind of birds
It's a type of bird, right? So the
type.
night owl is the person who goes to bed late, like a late sleeper. Say that, late sleeper.
Okay. So if I want to say, can I say I am a night owl? If
You
I
could.
want.
Yeah,
Mhm.
if you want to express that, if you would like to express that you stay up late, you don't go to bed early.
Okay. So okay, if I am the type person sleep very early.
Yeah.
What should I say in English?
I don't think there's a word for that. The person who goes to sleep
Uh-huh.
early. We just say you're going early to bed.
Early to bed.
Early to bed, yeah. Early sleeper. That's the way to say it.
Mhm.
But there's no like night owl or early bird thing. The early bird is the person who wakes up early. So you could also say early bird for somebody who goes to bed early. It could be
Early
used like
bird.
that. You're an early bird,
Uh-huh.
so it means you're going to bed
Mhm.
early, right? And because
What
now
else?
there's another saying, early to bed and early to rise. Okay,
Early to bed.
and early to rise.
Early to rise.
Yeah, early to bed and early to rise makes you healthy, wealthy, and wise. Have you heard that saying before?
It's making full sense. Yeah.
Makes sense, yeah.
But I don't think so. If I sleep early, I will be wealthy and healthy.
Yeah, sometimes, like sometimes you need to work late, to be wealthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to work
Yes.
through the night.
Exactly. Yes. That's what I meant.
Yeah. So we have to say goodbye now. The seconds are running out.
Yeah. I want to
Okay.
thank you so much
Thank you.
because you are a very great tutor. Thanks
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for helping me.
Okay. It's good to help
Goodbye.
you. Okay. Goodbye. Okay.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.